This is by far the most ambitious and aggressive affordable housing plan that Vancouver's ever seen. And the priority really does need to be on those most vulnerable, people who need supportive and social housing. We have to make sure, working with the new BC government and seeing the mandate letters to the new minister, that we see support from this new government for our most vulnerable citizens, and we get that very low-income housing built as a priority over this next 10 years. And I think this is really about making sure we're creating new supply at unprecedented levels that meets the incomes in Vancouver. It's the right supply for people here in Vancouver. 72,000 units of housing for people who live and work in Vancouver is a really key piece in terms of growing the city, building the city. Just pleased to see all the work that staff have done and over 10,000 residents engaged in shaping this plan. And we've got a couple more months to fine-tune it and make sure we get the priorities straight. But we're looking forward to getting on with the job and partnering with the provincial and federal government to make sure that we've got the emphasis on the most affordable housing that we can supply.
I would say that the first thing that should happen is the mayor of this city needs to go meet with the mayor of Burnaby and the other mayors of this region and demand that they work harder at dealing with the rental crisis that we have in this region. Vancouver cannot do it alone. The mayor of Burnaby has to do it, the mayor of Delta, the mayor of White Rock, they have to step up. Vancouver taxpayers cannot pay for this alone. We're relying on the private sector to do this, and I'm skeptical that they're going to do that. They're going to step up. I think we need to look at this as a regional problem, a provincial problem, and a national problem. Vancouver taxpayers can't do this on their own. We need support from the federal government, the provincial government, and the regional cities around us. And so far, they've all failed us.